Have you finished the maths homework?
Yes, I have. I finished all of it.
That was quick. Have you done all the questions?
Yes, I've done questions 1, 2, and 3.
What about questions 4 and 5?
Oh, I haven't done them. Do we need to?
Yes. Let's do them together.
Look and listen.
Have you finished the maths homework?
Yes, I have.
He hasn't done questions 4 and 5.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Have they finished the race? That's right. Yes, they have. Has the boy cleaned his dad's car? That's right. No, he hasn't. Have you had your lunch today? Well done!
Yay!
Dickory bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dickory bones. He works under rocks and stones.
Now what have you done?
You should close your mouth, Brutus. Those butterflies are dangerous.
The butterflies have started to go back to the walls.
This looks like the way out. It's the first time anyone's used this door.
Wait for me!
I don't know what's inside, so stay right behind me. Don't try to bring anything with you.
I haven't touched anything. The ancient Egyptians loved sport.
They've painted sports on these walls. They're trying to tell us something. You need more exercise, Brutus.
The ancient Egyptians invented hockey and handball. You should use some of those treasures.
I've waited for this moment all my life. I'm going to be rich!
When the water comes, swim up to the light.
Right. Time to go, Dad!
The ancient story of Sirius says you can't take the treasure and live, Brutus.
Oh no! My gold!
I got your email, son. The first one you've ever sent from a snake bowl, eh?
Thanks, Dad.
Brutus hasn't come up.
My treasure! I've lost it all!
You're the treasure now, Brutus.